Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. I brought for you an anchoring script on Deepavali. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me to the enlightenment from ignorance created by my actions, thoughts, and understandings. Diwali essence lies in this. Heartiest morning to all gathered over here. Everybody has shine on their faces. It is because Diwali is around the corner. And this is Minakshi from class 8 with my classmates. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. The festival Diwali illuminates the earth as well as the skies. It unifies every religion, every home, and every heart. Diwali is undoubtedly one of the most famous festivals in India. Diwali is a time for celebration. It is a reminder for the whole world that good always win over evil. And let's continue the same true spirit. Let's everybody stand and light the lamp of happiness. और ईश्वर से यह प्रार्थना है कि इस दिव्य महोत्सव का रंग हम सबके जीवन के पन्नों को शांति, आनंद व खुशी से रंग दे. And now let's we start today's morning assembly with Guru Vandana. And for this, I would like to invite on stage students from class 8th. After Guru Vandana, dear friends, I think Diwali is India's most important festival of the year, and it's a good time to invite the powers to Lord Ram and Goddess Lakshmi to our heart. May God bless us, thoughts of purity and power to fight evils. And with this, everybody fix the mind on supreme power, supreme light. Shut your eyes, concentrate on the supreme light, illuminate the soul and get ready for prayer. Start. And after prayer, दीप हमारी सभ्यता और संस्कृति की अलौकिकता का प्रतीक है. प्रत्येक शुभ कार्य के पूर्व दीप प्रज्वलन की अनूठी परंपरा सनातन काल से चली आ रही है. शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. अर्थात दीप के प्रकाश को नमस्कार. शुभता, स्वास्थ्य और समृद्धि के प्रवर्तक जो शत्रुतापूर्ण भावनाओं को नष्ट करते हैं, उस दीप की ज्योति को प्रणाम. और इन्हीं भावनाओं के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं. इन आवर ट्रेडिशन, द लाइटिंग ऑफ अ दिया इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ प्रेयर एंड इट signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. And I would like to invite on stage respected chairman sir and principal sir to light the lamp. And thank you very much, sir. Someone beautifully said that a lamp does not speak, it introduces itself through its light. Achievers never expose themselves, but their achievements expose them. And it's time to understand the importance of this festival. Beyond the lights and fun, Diwali is also a time to reflect on life and make changes for the upcoming year. Let us know more about the religious importance of this festival, and I would like to invite on stage Pratima from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Pratima. There is a story of a son who spends 14 years in the forest to keep his father's promise. Many of us might have heard, as it narrated at every Diwali, that how the virtuous Ram defeated the evil demon Ravan and returned victorious to his kingdom. And those scenes, characters, dialogues, we all discussed throughout the year. And my dear friends, behind this victory, there is not just a story, but there is a long living history. And let's enjoy the next skit based on the story of Diwali. And to perform this, I would like to invite on stage students from class 8 and 9th. And thank you very much to all of you for such a nice presentation. Diwali festival celebrates a number of themes, including joy, forgiveness, knowledge, the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, and the legend of Ram and Sita. In short, a lot of happiness for all. तो कुछ हटके होना चाहिए. Dear all, amongst all the festive fervor, the time that we spend together with happiness is the most precious. To express this decorative festive, to express the love for this festival, here is our little waiting to present dance. So please welcome them all on the stage. And after this performance, today on this beautiful occasion, हम ये प्रण लें कि मन के अहंकार रूपी घमंड को मिटाना है, बुराई से खुद को बचाना है और अच्छाई का साथ निभाना है और दिवाली की तरह पूरे जग को रोशन बनाना है. And with these feelings, let us move to the end of today's morning assembly. We are really blessed to have such principal and teachers with us, our leaders, our guide, and with a thankful heart, we welcome you, Honorable Sir, on the stage to bless us all. And thank you very much, sir, for your kind and precious words. Let's we decide to celebrate pollution-free Diwali. जीवन की खुशियों के खातिर मिलकर चलो, ले स्नेह प्रण दीपोत्सव को बना दो सार्थक, हर दिल में दीप प्रज्वलित कर. एक बार फिर से दीपावली की हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं. और इसी के साथ आज की प्रार्थना सभा संपन्न हुई. धन्यवाद.